The song of the nightingale became more and more melodious day by day. Day after day, the song of the nightingale became so sweet. It became royal performer. Royal means who perform in the king's palace. Performer means stager who perform on the stage. It became a royal performer. One day, the emperor received a mechanical nightingale as a gift. Mechanical nightingale means artificial nightingale as a gift. You can see in the picture, it's a mechanical nightingale as a toy. It was covered with precious stones. Precious means costly. You can see in the picture, it is covered with the precious stones. It also sang the song of the original nightingale just as well. People could not tell the difference. It can also sing the song of original nightingale. People could not say the difference between the original nightingale or artificial nightingale. Who is singing the song? People could not say that. So it was singing the same way as the original nightingale singing. Soon the mechanical nightingale began to take the place of the real nightingale. Soon it take the place of a original nightingale. It also attract people because it sparked with precious stone and jewel. It attract the people. It also, first of all, original nightingale attract the people with its sweet voice, na. But it was also having sweet voice, and but it was having one more thing, that is precious stones and sparked means shining, and the stones were shining too much. That's why people were more attracting towards artificial nightingale. So that's why it take the place of original nightingale. Stones and sorry It also attract people because it sparked means shone with precious stones and jewel. It was able to sing the same song 35 times. How many times? 35 times. Original nightingale can't sing the same song continuously 35 times because it was original. It got tired, but it was not original, it was mechanical, it was the artificial. It can sing 30 time 35 time, okay, and without getting tired. The real nightingale felt neglect means ignored. It was feeling that he was not no more important, and became very sad. That's why it became very sad. Original one nightingale became sad because now he was ignored. So it left the palace and went far away. That's why the original nightingale left the palace and it went far away. One evening, while the emperor was listening the song of the mechanical nightingale, there was a loud sound, and the nightingale stopped singing. Some parts inside it had broken down. The emperor tried his best to have the nightingale repaired, but no one could fix it. Repaired means mended. One day, when the emperor was listening the song of the artificial nightingale, that time any loud voice came from the nightingale, and when the emperor checked it, he saw that some parts of the nightingale from inside had broken, and he tried very much, but no one could repair it. Could fix it means could repair it. A few years later, after some years later, the emperor became very ill, and there was no hope that he would recover. He was so much ill that there was no hope of his recovery. All the senior ministers were worried about his health and gathered together to choose a temporary ruler, because the emperor was too much ill and there was no hope of his recovery means to came back into good health, okay. So there was no hope of his recovery. So that's why all the senior ministers, they set a meeting. Gather together means they set a meeting for choosing a temporary ruler. Temporary means for short time, for short term. The emperor lay alone in his bed, feeling uneasy. The emperor was, you can see in the picture, the emperor was laying alone on in his bed and feeling uneasy, means not comfortable. He was not feeling comfortable, awaiting his death. He was awaiting for his death because from a very long time he was suffering from the illness. That's why now he was also leave the hope of his recovery, and he was also waiting for his death. Suddenly one day he heard the beautiful song of the real nightingale. It had flew back to China, having heard about the emperor's illness. It first sat on the wall in the palace garden and sang. When suddenly one day he heard the song of original nightingale, real nightingale. It means nightingale came back to China. When the nightingale listened from anyone that the emperor of China is very ill, so after that it came back to China. It means nightingales first of all sat on the wall of the garden, palace garden, and then it sang.